Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how the Receiptjar app works, including how you earn rewards, upload receipts, and whether the app is worth your time. Receiptjar is a free mobile app that pays you for uploading your shopping receipts. It supports receipts from most retailers, whether it's for groceries, gas, online shopping, or in-store purchases. The process is simple. After shopping, just open the app, snap a photo of your receipt, and upload it. You'll earn points known as jar points for each valid receipt, and over time, these points can be redeemed for gift cards to major retailers like Amazon or Target. The app accepts both physical and digital receipts, including email receipts from online purchases. You can link your email account to automatically scan and collect receipts, which makes it convenient if you shop online frequently. Each receipt typically earns between 5 and 25 points, depending on the type and date. There's a limit to how many receipts you can upload daily, so consistency over time is key to maximizing rewards. Receiptjar also offers bonus features like surveys and receipt streaks. Completing short surveys adds to your earnings, while maintaining a daily receipt upload streak can earn you extra jar points. The app ranks you in tiers, and as you upload more receipts, you'll unlock higher levels that slightly increase your point earnings. Payments are made through gift cards, and the minimum redemption threshold is typically 1,000 points for a $5 gift card, depending on the region. On the downside, receipt scanning isn't always instant, and sometimes you may need to wait hours or even a full day for points to show up. Some users have also reported delays in gift card delivery. The daily upload cap can feel limiting if you have multiple receipts to submit. Despite these minor inconveniences, Receiptjar is generally reliable, and its user interface is clean and easy to navigate. If you're someone who shops frequently and doesn't mind taking quick photos of receipts, Receiptjar can be a decent way to earn small rewards over time. It won't replace a full income, but it's a practical tool for passive earnings with minimal effort. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.